Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the ultimate Guess the Mammals Quiz challenge? Test your vocabulary with 100 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word genius. Please watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What's the name of this mammal? Dog. Let's see if you can guess this one. Cat. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Cow. What's the name of this mammal? Horse. Let's see if you can guess this one. Pig. Well done. 5 down. Keep going. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Sheep. What's the name of this mammal? Goat. Let's see if you can guess this one. Deer. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Bear. What's the name of this mammal? Lion. Let's see if you can guess this one. Tiger. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Elephant. What's the name of this mammal? Giraffe. Let's see if you can guess this one. Zebra. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Monkey. What's the name of this mammal? Gorilla. Let's see if you can guess this one. Chimpanzee. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Kangaroo. What's the name of this mammal? Koala. Let's see if you can guess this one. Panda. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Fox. What's the name of this mammal? Wolf. Let's see if you can guess this one. Rabbit. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Squirrel. What's the name of this mammal? Bat. 25 down, awesome. Check the description for English learning resources. Let's see if you can guess this one. Hippopotamus. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Rhinoceros. What's the name of this mammal? Bison. Let's see if you can guess this one. Buffalo. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Camel. What's the name of this mammal? Donkey. Let's see if you can guess this one. Moose. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Elk. What's the name of this mammal? Reindeer. Let's see if you can guess this one. Seal. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Walrus. What's the name of this mammal? Otter. Let's see if you can guess this one. Beaver. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Raccoon. What's the name of this mammal? Skunk. Let's see if you can guess this one. Sloth. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Armadillo. What's the name of this mammal? Hedgehog. Let's see if you can guess this one. Porcupine. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Mole. What's the name of this mammal? Rat. Let's see if you can guess this one. Mouse. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Hamster. What's the name of this mammal? Guinea pig. Let's see if you can guess this one. Dolphin. 50 down. You're great. Keep it up. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Whale. What's the name of this mammal? Orca. Let's see if you can guess this one. Leopard. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Cheetah. What's the name of this mammal? Jaguar. Let's see if you can guess this one. Panther. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Lynx. What's the name of this mammal? Hyena. Let's see if you can guess this one. Meerkat. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Platypus. What's the name of this mammal? Wombat. Let's see if you can guess this one. Anteater. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Manatee. What's the name of this mammal? Sea lion. Let's see if you can guess this one. Badger. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Opossum. What's the name of this mammal? Ferret. Let's see if you can guess this one. Weasel. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Llama. What's the name of this mammal? Alpaca. Let's see if you can guess this one. Yak. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Polar bear. What's the name of this mammal? Brown bear. Let's see if you can guess this one. Black bear. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Gibbon. 75 down. Keep watching and comment your score below at the end. What's the name of this mammal? Orangutan. Let's see if you can guess this one. Baboon. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Lemur. What's the name of this mammal? Red panda. Let's see if you can guess this one. Flying fox. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Muskrat. What's the name of this mammal? Prairie dog. Let's see if you can guess this one. Chipmunk. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Groundhog. What's the name of this mammal? Gopher. Let's see if you can guess this one. Dingo. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Hare. What's the name of this mammal? Pangolin. Let's see if you can guess this one. Tasmanian devil. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Water buffalo. What's the name of this mammal? Bighorn sheep. Let's see if you can guess this one. Chinchilla. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Mongoose. What's the name of this mammal? Puma. Let's see if you can guess this one. Wolverine. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Jackal. What's the name of this mammal? Tapir. Let's see if you can guess this one. Narwhal. Can you guess this mammal correctly? Marmoset. What's the name of this mammal? Dull sheep. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 100 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Boost your English with resources in the description. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!